Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. If you want to be a good person, then you have to follow our Prophet Muhammad SAW steps. You have to follow his manners, you have to follow his sunnah, and everything what he does. Because believe me guys, if you follow his steps, you will be safe in this world. Because that's what religion for, right? If you stick on religion, if you stay on track and the beautiful religion Islam, then you will save. That's what religion for, is to save your life. That's what hadith says. Ad-dinun nasihah. Ad-din or religion is an advice for you. So stay on the deen, stay on your track to be a better person. So you have to stick on your religion, Islam. That's a beautiful religion. Then believe me guys, if you stick on your religion, then you will save in this world. Okay, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.